lot of things I was just like trying to keep it like within myself, like before all that thing I was just trying to keep it within myself. मेरे को निकालना नहीं था वो word because like क्यों बेकार में झगड़ा करूँ and all that, like why should I initiate the fight first, okay? So like and I was just keeping it to myself. But then at that time, like I felt very I was already feeling very sad about like Erika, sorry, Ishita leaving, and then on top of that Erika comes to the room एकदम very chill ऐसे all that. तो वो देख के मुझको बहुत एकदम गुस्सा आ गया. तो एक छोटी सी बात पे भड़स हो गई थी. You guys do not know the reason. एक छोटी सी बात पे भड़स हो गई थी. So we were in the room and then like before going to the dome session ये से like makeup थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाता है. तो उसके मेकअप में बेड पे पड़ा था तो मैंने ऐसे लेकिन ऐसे बोल दिया लेकिन जस्ट रिमूव योर मेकअप, हटा दे अपना मेकअप, लेकिन ऐसे बोला था हटा अपना मेकअप. ओके, इस बात पे वो इतना चिढ़ गई. शी वाज लाइक आई टोल्ड हर लेकिन हटा दे अपना मेकअप, यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट, हाउ डेयर यू टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट एंड ऑल. ऐसे बात करने स्टार्ट की. ठीक है, मेरे को एक तो लेकिन आई डोंट रियली लाइक यू एंड देन ऊपर से अपना फेक एक्सेंट मार के मेरे को एकदम चिल्ला रही है मेरे ऊपर. तो उसके ऊपर मैं भी चिल्ला गई. मैं क्यों चुप रहा हूँ है ना. तो एकदम मैं भी उसके ऊपर चिल्ला गई कि लाइक shut up, like I'm just telling you one thing to do it, just do the fucking thing, just remove your makeup from the bed. बस उसको यही करना था, right? Then उसके ऊपर like और चिल्ला गई वो, like she just kept on like raising a voice and I raised my voice, she raised her voice, so we kept on raising like ऐसे voice. तो एक बार में मेरे को एक बहुत गुस्सा आ गया था. तो like I just एक बार में मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया था. तो maybe like I tried like she felt like that I was attacking her, which is not true. I would never attack someone for itna chota reason. I would never attack someone for itna chota sa reason. So of course like उसको लगा कि मैं उसको attack करी हूँ. And then बहन तो princess है, उसको तो कोई ऊंचे आवाज से बात नहीं करना है. Nobody can talk to her like that. So she was like, nobody can talk to me like this. How dare she? She's a psycho. She belongs in the mental hospital. I'm a doctor. Like I know what kind of mental issue she has. ऐसे बोलने लगी. Of course, who will not get और गुस्सा किसको नहीं आता अगर साइको मेंटल वगैरह बोलने लगी तो, राइट? तो that's what she started calling me. And then on top of that like I'm feeling sad about all this. And then एक तो like she's like I don't want to stay here and all that. तो एक बार से like I try to calm myself, which is very rare. Okay, एक बार जब मेरे को गुस्सा आ जाता है तो मैं I go all out. But मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था, but still I tried like ठीक है, okay, she's still my roommate, we can still talk about it. तो मैंने बोला उसको कि like सीधा like I told her like okay fine, let's talk about it. मैंने उसको बोला. तो she was like in the washroom and all that. So एक तो मान ही नहीं रही थी बात करने को. तो मैंने बोला let's talk, आजा बाहर बात करते हैं आराम से, like you don't have to like do all the tantrums and all that. तो I told her like get out, come बात करते हैं. तो मे बी एक पॉइंट में लगा होगा कि like I was trying to grab her hand very aggressively, but I was not trying to be aggressive. I was just trying to pull her out like out of the washroom and let's talk बोल के. तो और उस मैडम में और झुकी सती मेरे को और उसमें और बन गई. तो इसमें क्या ही बोल सकते. So and then eventually मैडम के साथ नहीं होगा, like I can't deal with her right now. So eventually even I gave up and then ऐसे like I just moved on. And yeah, that was the whole story behind it.